the filing process of income tax return concludes every year by July end. However, like last year, this year also the ITR filing process is yet to gather steam because of COVID-19 second wave. Apart from the pandemic, the glitches in the newly launched e-filing site are also giving additional pain to taxpayers. But there's still lots you can do in the meantime to keep your documents ready by the time the portal is up and running smoothly. A host of experts we spoke to said it's a good idea to go through Form 26AS to verify the tax deducted from your income before starting the return filing process. This should be done well before the filing of returns so that you have adequate time to fix the discrepancies, if at all any. So let's get started and find out everything we need to know about Form 26AS before filing our returns. Form 26AS is basically a consolidated tax credit statement that has all the details of various taxes deducted on your income at source. Your Form 26AS reflects details of all taxes deducted on your behalf. For example, tax payable on your salary is deducted by your employer and deposited with the IT department every month before paying your net salary. Likewise, your bank typically deducts tax on your fixed deposit interest before crediting it to your account on maturity. In addition, the tax collected at source, advance tax or self-assessment tax that you deposit will also be displayed in this statement apart from any refund from IT on excess tax paid. A taxpayer has to ensure that the income tax return or ITR is in sync with Form 26AS because the IT department uses Form 26AS as the benchmark for all its analysis and verification, and notices are issued accordingly if there's any discrepancy. If you have bought financial instruments such as mutual funds, bonds and shares worth 10 lakh or more, it will be reported to the tax department by the issuer. If there's a mismatch in the amount of TDS claimed in income tax return and the amount of TDS reflecting in Form 26AS, the assessing officer will provide credit only for that amount which appears in Form 26AS. That's why it's critical to verify Form 26AS before filing your ITR. Discrepancies could occur perhaps because you missed paying tax on some capital gains, or your employer or client might have deducted tax but not deposited it. In either case, you must take it up immediately and get it rectified. That's why downloading and verification of Form 26AS must be done well in advance and well before filing returns so you have enough time to fix the concerns with your employers or clients. Form 26AS can be downloaded by logging in to your e-filing account or the Income Tax Department's tax filing website. After logging in to the e-file menu, click at View Form 26AS link. Before you embark on your return filing exercise, it's also important to ensure that the TDS details in your Form 16, for instance, tally with information in 26AS on tax deposited by your employer.